Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix story comment if it's not showing here in your Instagram app. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So there are actually multiple reasons why it's not showing. One, maybe your system is not up to date. Second one, if your phone is quite old, all right, the reason why you won't be able to see this feature. And the third one, it could be that your app might need a little bit of cleaning. All right, so we're going to tackle that one by one. So first up, update your system. Go ahead over to the settings app on your phone. Could be on Android or iOS. Okay. Just use the search function and type in update like so. Wait for it to load. And here, go ahead and tap on software update. In here, make sure to tap on download and install all available updates. All right. Now, once that's done, go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store. Now look for Instagram. Okay. Instagram. Hit on enter. Now in here, make sure that your Instagram app is fully up to date. If it says update right here, just tap on it, wait for the process to finish. And once done, open it up and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, what if that still won't work? Well, all you have to do is close all the app. Now locate the Instagram app right here. Tap and hold if you're using iOS. Then go to the information icon. I'm sorry, Android. Okay. Now, if you're using iOS, go ahead over to the settings app. Look for general. Now look for the Instagram app. Now just tap on offload data or offload app. Okay. And here on Android, go ahead over to storage. Now tap on clear cache first. Tap on it. And once that's done, tap on clear the data. And after that, go ahead and open up the app once more, and you will be able to see Instagram story comments. Okay? Like so. If everything that we have done doesn't still work, well, the problem is your phone's model, all right? It might be relatively old. Well, the fix for that is to simply buy a newer phone, okay? Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.